So hey guys, in this video we'll be discussing about binomial theorem, which is the chapter number 8 of class 11th. In this video we'll be discussing the 8.1 exercise. Okay, so it is quite easy one, but you have to understand the concept. The first thing you need to understand that why we have to go for binomial theorem. Okay, so here for example I'll take one question which is 99. If I ask you square it, okay, so you will tell me the answer as 99 into 99. If you will multiply and tell me the answer, correct? Now suppose if I ask you the second question, 99 power 3, then also you might give me the answer after multiplying 99 3 times. Okay, this is also will be easier for you. Now what happens if I ask you the question as 99 power 8? Now in the calculator it is easy for you to do, but what happens here, you have to multiply 99 how many times? You have to multiply 99 8 times, correct? So on. Now it is quite lengthy process without the calculator, right? So for that purpose we are going to bring this formula, this expansion you might have seen, that is binomial theorem. Okay, for in order to solve this kind of problems where in normal methods you need to have more amount of time to solve this kind of problems. So let us see what happens here. So 99 power 8, so you have to convert this into plus or minus form. That means I can write it as 100 minus 1 power 8, or I can write it as 90 plus 8 power 8, sorry, 90 plus 9 power 8, right? These two means the same. Now which one you have to take? Both the things will give you the same answer. Okay, if you do 100 minus 1 and 90 plus 9 also, it will give you the same answer. But the thing is that if you use 100, it will be quite easier for you to do problems, because 90, if I ask you 90 square, you can tell me the answer after multiplying. If I ask you 100 square, it is easy for you to write the answer, right? 100 then 00, that's it. Okay, simple thing. So that's why we'll usually go for what? 100 minus 1, but this also will give you the same answer. Now what is the binomial theorem expansion? That you have to understand. So this is the binomial expansion. So whenever the problem comes in a plus b power n is nothing but the power. Okay, so this we can expand it as summation of r equal to 0 to n cr a power, the first one, power n minus r, the second one b power r. So this is the binomial theorem. Okay, binomial expansion. So the question should be in this form, so you have to write the answer in this form. Okay, so for example we'll take one example, you will understand this one, how to you have to expand and all. Okay, suppose the question is 1 plus 2x power 5. Okay, so they will ask you to expand this. Now how, in order to expand this is the first term, this is the second term, or we can compare and say this is a, this is b, correct? This is a and this is b. Now here, so let us expand this now. So it is nothing but summation of r equal to 0 to n. What is n? N is nothing but the power, that is 5. Okay, then ncr, that is 5cr a. What is a here? A is nothing but the first term, that is 1 power n minus r, so 5 minus r. Then b is the second term, power r means r only. Okay, so this you have to write it as r only. Now this is the standard form in which you have to write the answer. Okay, now we have to expand this. Now carefully if you observe, this is nothing but summation. Okay, summation means many terms added up together. Now we have to start with r equal to 0. So wherever you can see r, there you have to put 0, 1, 2, 3, till how many terms? Till 5, till it reaches 5. So let us do that now. So see here, so I'll write the first term, so carefully you have to see. So 5cr, r means 0, 1 power 5 minus 0, then 2x power 0. Okay, plus second term you have to put r as 1 power 5 minus 1, 2x power 1, plus 5c2 1 power 5 minus 2 2x power 2 plus 5c3 now 3. Okay, so 1 power 5 minus 3 2x power 3 plus 5c4 1 power 5 minus 4 2x power 4 plus 5c5 1 power 5 minus 5 2x power 5. Now till here you have to do, right? Whenever you reach the term last, that is the highest power is nothing but 5. So till there you have to keep on expanding. That means you will get each terms. So the first term where we have r as what? 0. Now if you simplify this carefully, you see 5c0 is there. 1 power 5 minus 0 is 5 only. So 1 power 5. Then 2x power 0. Okay, 2x power 0 is 1. Correct? Anything power 0 is 1. So into 1 plus 5c1 1 power 4, then 2x power 1 is 2x plus 5c2 1 power, how much it is? 5 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 2 3 2x power 2 plus 5c3 1 power 2 2x power 3 plus 5c4 1 power 1 2x power 4 plus 5c5 which is 1 power 0 2x power 5. Okay, so this is the simplest form we have brought. Okay, the whatever the expansion was there, so we have expanded it. Now the thing is that you need to solve further. You have to reach the last step. Now you can directly avoid these steps and all. Directly you can write what? The answer. No need to write, no need to show this step and all. So how to write this direct answer? Let me show you that also. Okay, so we'll take same question, we'll directly write the answer. No need to write it in this form then expand it. Okay, so I will take the same question, 1 plus 2x power 5. So carefully you see, directly you can expand, you can avoid that summation, this thing and all. Carefully you see. Now 5 is there, so 5c r was there, it is nothing but you have to start with 0. Then first term, what is the first term? 1. So 1 power, how much it will be there? You have to reach the maximum level. That means for first term you have to reach 5. This is the maximum power. Okay, maximum power you remember 5. Then second term is 2x, you have to go with 0. So this 0 is there, this also 0. Okay, remember like this. This is the first term, you have to reach the maximum power, that is 5. Then it will keep on decreasing, each term it will decrease. So from maximum to minimum first term, second term from minimum to maximum, that means from 0 to 5, whatever the power is there, no, from 0 to 5. So along with this you can see this pattern also, 0 here, 0 here. Okay, so we'll see the next term, you will understand it in a better way. So see carefully, plus 5c, now the 5 is fixed. Okay, the 5c 1, okay, 1, then 1 power 4. So as I said, this is 5, then it has decreased to 4. It cannot go to 6. Okay, the 5 is the maximum term, so now it has decreased 4. Second term, 2x power 1. So you can observe this is also 1, this is also 1. Okay, like that it will keep on increasing. Plus 5c, now it will go to 2. The first term it will decrease 3, second term it will increase, so from 1 to 2. So this term you can observe, this term you can. Okay, so plus 5c3, first term is 1, power how much it will be there? 2, because it was 3 earlier, now it has become 2. Second term, 2x power 3, observe again, 3 plus 5c4, 1 power, again it will decrease from 2 to 1. Then what will happen? Second term it will increase 4. So this also 4, this also 4. Pattern you have to observe. Okay, so 5c5, now it has reached the maximum value. See here, 5c5, so we have reached the maximum value. So this is the last term, so 1 power 0, 2x power 5. The thing is that, as I said before, so let me just tell you again. Now the thing is that where you have to start 5. So 5 is fixed in all the terms. The first term you see, all the terms 5 is fixed. Now you have to write C. C is something but the combination. You might have studied in permutation and combination. That's C only. Okay. C is 0. So you have to start with minimum 0 till where you will go, till the maximum value, which is 5. Okay. So first term is 1. 1 power maximum value. Then observe in all the terms. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 1. Then 0. Simple. Next. Then 2x is there, 2x power 0. So from minimum you have to start till maximum. So second term, always remember, from 0 to maximum value, which is 5. So first term from 5 to 0 you have to bring down. That's it. Okay, so you can match the pattern here also. So if you observe this part, 0 is here, 0 is here, 1 is here, 1 also is here. Like that also you can match the part. One more thing I'll tell you, that in each term means this is one term, this is one term, after plus now one more term will be there. So totally we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms. In these 6 terms, each term, if you see, the power of first term and second term will be added up together, will be the maximum power, which is 5. See, we have 1 plus 2x power 5, right? So maximum power is 5. This power in each term it will be there. See the last term, this is the first term, power 0. So power 0 is there, here power 5 is there. So when you add the powers, you will get 0 plus 5, which is equal to 5. You will get 5 only, maximum power, whatever is there. Like that also you can verify your answer. Now here again, this is 4, this is 1, right? So 1 plus 4, again 5, correct? Then 3 plus 2, again 5, correct? Then again you can observe here, 3 plus 2, 5. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 0 plus 5, again 5. Like that, in many ways you can verify your answer, how you have to expand. Okay, so this is the thing you need to understand. Now the next thing, that after expansion what you have to do. Okay, so before that I'll tell you one more thing. What happens if you will get 1 minus 2x power 5. What you will do in this type of question? What happens if you get minus in between? This is for plus. Simply you have to just put addition values. That means you have to put plus sign. But in this case, what you are going to do? You have to do the same thing. But remember, I'll tell you 2 ways. One way is that you treat the second term as minus 2x and first term as 1. Simple. Because the form is a plus b power n. So n is 5, b will be, see here should be plus, no, but we have to take minus 2x. Whenever minus sign comes, you have to take second term as minus 2x, first term as 1. But this is quite lengthy process. You will get confused. Not a lengthy process, but you will get confused in minus sign. I'll show you that also. I'll tell you 2 methods. One is easier one will be the normal method. See here. So I'll expand. 5c 0. First term is 1 power 5. Second term you have to take it as minus 2x. So whenever minus sign comes, you have to take minus 2x power 0 plus 5c1, 1 power 4, c decreasing, minus 2x power 1 increasing, then 5c2, 1 power 3 minus 2x power 2. Like that it will go on, so on. Okay, but still I'll write it for you. Minus 2x power 3 plus 5c4, 1 power 1 minus 2x power 4. Same thing, whatever is there on the top, same thing you have to write, but the second term is minus 2x. That's it. Minus 2x power 5. So this is the expansion. You can observe, you can compare it with this one, you will get the same thing. But here you need to understand this, you might get confused. If you are comfortable with this method, you can go ahead. Okay, no problem with that. But remember, minus sign is there, so be careful. If each expansion, if you see, you are getting minus 2x, right? Be careful with the sign. If I ask you minus 2x power 2, what is the value? You have to tell me 4x square. If I ask you minus 2x power 3, so what is the value? You have to tell me minus 8x cube. Correct? You have to tell me this answer. So the point is that here minus sign, you might get confused. So in order to avoid this confusion, what you're going to do is that I'll tell you one another method which is nothing but the same thing, take it as plus only. So let me just show you that also. So see here, so I'm going to take 1 minus 2x power 5, going to expand this, but remember this is minus sign, don't worry about minus sign. If you're getting minus sign in between the two terms, second term you have to take it as a minus 2x, right? That you know, that method you know, I have written here. But to avoid that minus sign, what you're going to do, you write first term with plus sign. So 5c0, 1 power 5 plus 2x power 0. You have to take this term as plus only, take plus only. But the thing is that, and then now you will ask me that then how will the answer get smashed, or how will the answer will be the same? So here next term you have to take with the minus sign. So observe here, all terms is having plus sign. You observe plus sign, okay? But here what I am going to do, alternate plus minus, always start with plus, second term you put minus, then you put 5c1, 1 power 4, 2x power 1. Again don't make mistakes while putting, don't again put minus here, minus 2x, that will be wrong. So I am telling you this method to avoid what, this minus sign, minus 2x thing. So you have to put minus here in between, then again plus will come, 1 power 3 minus 1 come, okay? So 2x power 2, then minus will come, correct? See, observe this one, first plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. So 5c3, 1 power 2, 2x power 3, then plus will come, 5c4, 1 power 1, minus 2x power 4 means here you have to put 2x power 4, then minus will come, 5c5, 1 power 0, 2x power 5. This is the entire process. So you can avoid this one if you want, you can directly write like this, but be careful, plus minus, always start with plus, minus, you will get the same answer, okay? So we'll solve problems in exercise 8.1, and then that time you will understand how you have to solve problems.